And welcome, Viva ma'am. Welcome on board at Higher and Technical Education Virtual Conclave North India Pacific. So, to all the audience, we have our next speaker, Ms. Viva Mahajan, Vice President, Strategic Growth and Alliance from CAN 42. Welcome, Viva ma'am. Welcome to Summit. So, right now, we all have a session that was specific by the demonstration from advanced program management to additional skills for students and NS collaborative teaching for faculty. CAN 42 is the one-stop solution for all education needs. So I just request Viva Mahajan ma'am to demonstrate all the requirement and all the innovation initiative that has done by the CAN 42 for this education right now. So over to you, Viva ma'am.
Thank you, Abhishek.
Thank you, ma'am.
A very good afternoon to everyone who's on the session. It's a pleasure to be connecting with you. I know the times have changed, so instead of connecting in person, we are connecting online. But what is more important is that we are connecting and we are able to talk to each other. That's more important. Well, you know, I am Vibha Mahajan. I am the Vice President of Growth and Strategic Alliances at CAN 42. CAN 42 is basically a company that offers integrated education management platform for universities. So what it basically does is it digitizes your entire campus, right from the admission. In fact, attracting the students, you know, we do digital marketing for our clients to attract students to the campuses, and then, you know, manage have admissions in the campuses. It's all digitized through CAN 42, and then it takes you right from there till the candidate becomes, you know, even after the candidate becomes the alumni of the campus, we have the alumni management portal as well. So it's basically complete 100% digitization of the campus that CAN 42 does. And we are right now working with a lot of, big universities where CAN 42 is being deployed. So, you know, why CAN 42? Like I said, it's basically an end-to-end digital integration. It gives improved student engagement. We give a very good user experience. So the UI of the platform is extremely nice and good on the eyes. It gives increased staff productivity. We've also integrated an e-commerce market, so which means that if you're offering, you know, various programs in your university like engineering, MBA, pharma, or law, or BCom or BSc, any of those programs, we have content uploaded on the platform, which your faculty can go through and recommend to the students, and students can purchase. Or as an institution, you can decide that, you know, you will make it a part of the complete offering to the student, including all the content. It's a cloud-based modular solution. So like I was saying, we have the admin portal, we have the assessments portal, we have the placements, internships portal, and we have the alumni management portal. We also have proctored examinations that we run through our platform. And virtual classrooms can also be held very easily through CAN 42. The admin part of the platform also takes care of, fee collection, fee management system. In fact, we also have partnerships where if there are students who want to take some loan for education, so we guide them to, our partner who provides the service. So CAN 42 for administration. What all does CAN 42 do for administration? Yes, it helps to acquire students. So we run marketing. We have a marketing and cloud solution that allows to connect with prospective students and increase the number of applications to the campus. We manage candidate application process and the admissions fee and payment of the admission fee. It gives a 60-degree view of the student to the management. So whoever is in the top management, they want to see, how the students in the campus are doing, or how the various departments are doing. It gives a full 360-degree view of that, to the admin people. Academic management basically involves class scheduling for students and faculty. So everything, we just work with you once at the beginning of the year in terms of, the timetable that the college will follow for each department. And then after that, it gives automatically, it asks the faculty and the students to join a class when the class is scheduled. We give you, like I have already mentioned, that we give you a fully connected campus. So which means that it links every department within your institution and ensures that, there is a full integration between each department. And we also have mobile app for Ken 42. So, you can actually see everything on your mobiles as whatever is happening. If you have multiple campuses, you are a group of institutions, then on the admin side, you will be able to see how the performance and, things that are happening in all the campuses that fall under your group. So it links different campuses on a common platform. For teachers, Ken 42 basically it helps them create content. So teachers can create content within the platform, upload that content in any form. It could be assessments, it could be notes, it could be PowerPoint slides, or it could be videos, anything. They can upload that content on the platform so that the students can view during or after the class. The teachers can actually create their own original content and hence create IP, through the Ken 42 platform. The student performance is very clearly visible to the teacher by class as well as by individual student. So it gives detailed performance metrics for each student and class to ensure that, these teachers have a view of their students at any point of time. Examinations, I was mentioning before that we conduct, the platform allows to conduct online proctored exam capabilities with student authentication and monitoring. So this is very, very important in the current times. You can run proctored examinations, and those examinations can be, subjective type or objective type. It depends on you how you want to conduct those exams. There is a cohort of faculty community that we have on the platform. So educators, teachers can connect with each other on the through this platform, and connect with their own community and have conversations with them through Ken 42. For students, we offer virtual, like I said, we offer virtual classroom through the platform. There is multimodal learning. So module wise, content can be uploaded, and students can download the content module wise and learn. There is digital content, and we want to make sure that, the students are successful as they learn through Ken 42. It also helps in career development. So there are skill development programs that we are offering on the Ken 42 platform. There are events and workshops that will be visible to the students and faculty both. And, they can, from within the platform, they can register for those events and workshops. Projects, courses are also part of the platform. Students can pick up projects and work with their faculty within the platform. There is mentorship. So we have a cohort of mentors who are pass outs from reputed premier institutes, and students can opt to take mentorship on any from any of those individuals that we have on the cohort, depending upon what their requirement is for mentorship. The platform also manages all the internships and placements for the campus. So the companies, they can be all within the platform, and all the students are there anyway inside the platform. So it gives a full, internship and placement management facility to the campus. We have some interview preparation and career guidance people also within, associated with us. So students, if they want, they can take some, guidelines from them. In terms of entrepreneurship, so Ken42 is basically a company which is backed by another company called TurboStart. So TurboStart, every year it runs an ideathon. It is still running right now for all the universities. Basically, we invite, all the ideas that the students, university students have, and they are working on in terms of a startup. And then we select, Ken42 selects, the top 10 ideas, and it gives also gives some funding and prizes to the tune of 2 crores to the first 3 winners, and about 10 to 15 lakhs to the next 7. So we really encourage university students, to be entrepreneurs and create jobs for themselves and for others. While we do all of this, we want to make sure that, the data that the universities have on our platform, that data is fully secure. So we have a lot of, regulated, secure systems that are compliant to certain norms. We make sure that, the university's data is completely secure with Ken42. So we are, as an organization, we are our mission is to build a partnership geared for success for all the stakeholders in the university system, whether it is the administration, the owners, the students, the faculty, or the, the external organizations. So we want to make sure that, everybody's sort of geared for success. That's what I wanted to talk about Ken42 today. If there are any questions, I'll be very happy to answer.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Viva, ma'am. Actually, there are some questions that we will ask to you also. So, ma'am, first of all, some basics that what overall like Ken42 is all basic USP that make him different from other platforms. That
Yes.
As an educator, as an institution, that we get the priority to Ken42 that make them different from others.
Yeah, that's a very good question, Abhishek. So basically, most of the companies, they offer an ERP platform, which can possibly do the admissions, collect the fee, and then, have the courses up there, maybe manage the timetable, and that's it. So the fundamental difference that Ken42 has versus all other ERP platforms or companies is that, number one, we start working with the college right from day one to ensure that the college gets more applicants into their system. So 1 month before the admission process starts, we work with the institutions on the digital marketing side, where we design campaigns for the institution and run those campaigns so that the college has more applications. And then we manage the complete admission process. Through the platform, we manage the complete admission process for the college, and the college admin will be able to see everything on the platform. That is number one. Number two, unique. We offer mentorship. So I haven't come across a platform that offers mentorship, that has a cohort of mentors, who students can approach and take mentorship on whichever area they want to seek guidance in. Ken42 offers virtual classrooms. It also offers proctored examinations. That is a very, very distinct feature of the platform, that colleges can take proctored assessments of their students, and Ken42's assessment platform generates basically an integrated score for every student who's taking a proctored assessment. So that is all of this makes Ken 42 very, very distinctive from any of the available ERP platforms. That's why we say that we are an integrated education management company, not just an ERP platform offering.
That's great, ma'am. And one of the question arises that how can your software help in the better learning outcomes, ma'am?
Yeah, so basically everything that we offer is through the learning outcomes mode. The learning happens in a modular way. We offer content on the platform which the students can purchase, or the university can decide to offer as part of the overall package. We also offer all the teachers' notes and other maybe videos, etc., that the teachers would have created. So the modular learning aspect of the platform basically makes, sets up the student for success.
Okay. And ma'am, right now the basic challenges right now, what you are facing in this COVID times, right now we have comes to the virtual education. So as per that, you are as a tech innovators and you are dealing with the directly with the higher education and the educators. So what the major challenges you are right now seeing and what the best practices you want to follow that as in using this technology, how person can adopt it and bring the radical change in for the student and the welfare of the faculty.
See, we are talking to so many universities, and I think the challenges that the universities today, as I hear from them, they are facing are basically, getting the students into, getting the students into the campus, not physically, but basically having admissions, enough admissions in the campus. They are facing a challenge in ensuring that the student is actually, when a virtual classroom is happening, institutes want to ensure that the student is attentively listening and attending the class when a virtual classroom is happening. So that is two. Number three, they are facing a challenge in running assessments in a proper manner. And usually most of the colleges, don't have a platform that helps them manage the placements and internships. So, normally one of the directors, college directors was telling me that, every time I have to ask my placement head, what is the status, etc. So Ken 42 addresses all of these, through proctored examinations, placement portal, which the college director and admin can see, and, they can get to know the status instantly. In terms of students attending the classroom, seriously, there also we have a feature whereby we can let the faculty know how much portion or how much part of the lecture the student has attended carefully, and hence the attendance is marked. We have an automatic attendance system in the platform. So the attendance is marked for a student only if the student crosses a certain threshold defined by the institute for attending the lecture carefully.
And we have one question also I asked from the audience side. Right now the assessment is the major issue. So how are you dealing with that situation, ma'am, through your
So we
platform?
have a full assessment module. One of the things that some colleges are doing, who are using our platform, are doing is that immediately, to make sure that the student attends and understands, immediately after every lecture, they give a short quiz to the students to fill and return immediately. That is one. Number two, like I said, we have proctored assessment in our platform. So if the university wants to conduct an exam, they can, give out an exam questionnaire to the students. The students can actually write and fill and return it back. If it's a subjective questionnaire, the faculty may have to correct the answers themselves. However, if it is an objective questionnaire, the students will answer in a proctored manner and they will return their answers, and then the platform autocorrects, the objective type of questions, and the
And
faculty gets the score. Yeah.
well reports, ma'am, well reports. And ma'am, one thing that as per the honor perspective, like if a owner of the university if director want to invest in any tech platform, the major challenges that from the owner side is that regarding their skill gap, that end users are the faculty and the students. So are you bridging that gap? That are you providing the skill, upgrading the skill, how to use that technology? So are you such kind of solutions and such kind of services is provided by your solution, ma'am?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, if you're referring to the skill gap within the campus, in terms of the campus people, faculty, etc., using the platform, then we assign a customer success person with each university, and the person makes sure that every single person on the campus, the faculty, that admin who needs to use our platform is fully trained and equipped to use the platform seamlessly from beginning till end. So that is completely Ken 42's responsibility.
Well said, well important. And by the closing, ma'am, all thing about is the prizes. So, ma'am, is there like any prizes you want to highlight the things that how people can approach? Because if you can put, many audience has been asking regarding the prices also, that how they can proceed directly to you, or there's any process that what you want to highlight, ma'am?
Yeah, Abhishek. So, because we offer so many, facilities and features on the platform, including mentorship and, also ideathons and, encouraging entrepreneurship, etc. So it depends, the pricing really depends. We give the list of all the features to the universities, and we ask them to pick what they would want for their campus, and the pricing really varies accordingly. So it would generally vary from, sort of 1,000 rupees per student per year to anywhere, to 1,800 to 2,000 rupees per student per year,
That's
depending
great, ma'am.
upon what features the university really picks.
That's great, ma'am. So I request to all the audience, Viva, you can directly contact to Viva Margin, and one of the best innovative and interactive solution has been provided to all the stakeholders regarding pricing. I think Viva is open for it, and you can directly talk in, you can directly share the challenges and the what the best opportunities you can ask from the Ken 42. So thank you, Viva Margin, ma'am. Thank you very much for coming on board at Higher Technical Education. And I request to all the participants, if you have any query, you can directly drop your query at the education@digitallearning.in, or you can drop your query on our Facebook and the LinkedIn handles and the Twitter handles. We can directly get in contact with the Viva ma'am. And if you want to any upgrade your features through Ken 42, we are open for that. Thank you, Viva ma'am. Thank you for joining the Higher Technical Education. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, Abhishek. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, Viva. Thanks for joining.
I wish you that you all stay safe and healthy. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.